So, regular viewers would point out that I haven't uploaded a video in quite some time, and they'd be right. But here we are, we're uploading a video on Boxing Day. So, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to everyone out there. Whether you're watching this today when it goes live, or in March, doesn't matter. Have a good one. Anyway, why haven't there been more videos on the channel? Well, I've been away in Dubai, India, and a few other events, so look forward to those videos coming real soon. But the real reason for the delay is actually because I've been working on my workshop. I decided that it was time for a change. So everything's been pulled out, it's been painted, it's been redone, and everything's been put back in new. So, without further ado, let me show you my workshop, all of it for a change, what we've done, what we've changed, and what you can look forward to in the next videos coming real soon, back on our usual schedule of about one video per week. So, if you aren't subscribed already, make sure to do so, you won't want to miss anything of what's coming. Let's have a look at the workshop. But first, let's take a look at what this place looked like before. Because of course, you've already seen one side of the workshop see an improvement. Again, about a year ago, we updated that side, but I don't think I've ever shown you the other side, the dark side. The other side is as it was 10, 12, 15 years ago when this place was built. It had the same blinds, no paint, and was really starting to look tatty. Not to mention absolutely full of stuff without a proper place for it, no real organisation, and just stuff getting in the way everywhere. Building and videos always took priority, so the cleanliness, or more to the point, the organisation and the storage was always a problem. Not to mention having to move a load of stuff every time I wanted to make a video, be it because it was living behind me and I wanted it out of shot, or just because I had to move it because of the lights, the camera, the table, etc. One of the things I really wanted to change in here was that I wanted all of the worktops to be the same colour. Now, I actually changed this one about a year ago for a different, darker shade, which looked great in the shop, but looked terrible once in here and really didn't like how it looked on camera. So I'm really pleased with this new lighter wood, which is actually now on all of the worktops. Now, you'll probably notice that the view that you're looking at the moment, something isn't quite right, at least compared to what you're used to. Normally, you're used to seeing this table lengthways. Now, that's actually only like that for the videos. The table's always lengthways like that because it's a lot easier to work on, especially with having the door right there. What do? It's easy. We don't move the table. We just move the top sheet. There we go, just like that. Welcome to another one of my videos. And there we actually have the new light wood and the old dark wood, which for some reason looked horribly orange in every single one of the videos, so really pleased to cover it back up. I've also gotten rid of the wobbly front end of the table and installed a nice new light at the top here that really shows off the colours of the planes sitting behind me in all of the videos. Just a nice little extra touch, an extra little bit of light. My tool wall used to be on the far wall in the workshop, which meant that if I needed a single screwdriver, I had to normally climb my way over planes and boxes to get there just for a screwdriver, as unfortunately, being a workshop, it doesn't normally look as nice and clean as it does now. So moving this here next to the door was an absolute brilliant idea, which I don't know why I didn't do sooner, because now the first thing I have when I walk in the door are all the tools which I use on a daily basis, as well as some new drawers which I installed under the table, so everything is accessible from right here. Nice and easy, nice and quick. The only issue we had here was that this was designed to go horizontally, so none of the accessories actually fit vertically. I'm not sure why they decided to put the holes at different distances horizontally and vertically, so I had to adapt every single one of those, but definitely worth it. Really pleased with the outcome on that one. Previously, I always had my light boxes or studio lights built and set up because they're quite a pain to take apart, and they were just left around the hangar everywhere, just in a corner. Now, they're quite large and they take up a lot of space, so I'm really pleased to have been able to find these arms on Amazon, which actually allow me to keep them ready to go, but out of the way, on the roof, and we just slide them down whenever we need them, just like that. Twist this round, and we're good to go filming. Just need to plug it in to the socket, which is right next to it, and the same with the other one just over there. Easy. It also means that if I want to do a video on this side, which I'll start doing now that the workshop's laid out that way, I can simply pull the wood that way, twist the lights around, and we've got a whole new set to play with. Now, this is nothing to do with filming videos. However, as it's a workshop, it's where I build and repair all my airplanes. So I'm used to having my hands covered in paint, glue, oil or grease. So I don't particularly want to be touching my phone for certain activities, even as simple as checking the time. So this little guy really helps. Okay, Google, turn the radio on.
Sure, here's Los 40 Castellan on TuneIn.
Easy. Okay, Google, turn off. Easy. No paint, no glue, not stuck to anything. So, welcome to the other side of the workshop. The side of the workshop that's normally behind the camera. Now, the idea is, now that I've done the workshop up, is to be able to use both sides of the workshop, just to mix things up a little bit. Hopefully you like the idea. If you do, or if you don't, or if you think that there's something missing or that could be added to the workshop to make the experience even better, please let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. I mean, I've been working on it for a couple of months. I'm really happy with the outcome, but I'm sure that an extra set of eyes can see something that I've maybe missed. What about the future of the channel? Well, after that break, which I couldn't wait to get back online, I now have quite a decent lineup of videos coming to you, which I can't wait to share. We have the India and Dubai trips that I mentioned at the beginning. We have 2 more trips that have been from here in Spain, Cordoba and Alicante helicopter event. We also have the video of the Digitech CTU turbine unit, which allows you to fly without carrying the GSU, the computer, in your back pocket, because it sends all of that information direct to your radio in the form of telemetry. That's coming out real soon, and that's absolutely brilliant. And we have all of this, which I wanted to talk to you about as well. I'm going to be building the RC Factory Edge 540, which, if it's anything like my crack yak, it's going to be absolutely brilliant, and I cannot wait to get this thing finished. Big thank you to Opti for sending out the batteries for this as well. I mean, they deal with all of my batteries for all of my models, but I've been using them even since before I used to fly for them. So that speaks for itself. Absolutely the best batteries on the market, and not just a sponsorship. Also really looking forward to finishing up my new laser. The engine for that should be arriving in the next couple of days. We have a couple of props for that to try out. We have the custom design Bernotech prop, the 2711, and we also have the same in carbon, which is the GP prop from Gonzo Hobbies in Dubai, who are the sole distributor for these. Now, this is the prop that I had on my laser in Dubai, which, as you'll see in the next couple of videos, I absolutely loved. It flew absolutely brilliantly. I mean, that one is a final version product as opposed to my red one, which was a bit of a prototype and doesn't fly as well as the commercial ones. So another reason why I can't wait to get my black laser in the air, because it's a standard version which I know will fly just like the one in Dubai, which was amazing. So can't wait for that. What else we got? We have the battery savers from Powerbox. You can expect a video on those coming real soon to explain. Basically, they're to discharge the battery to storage voltage, available in 2S or 3S, and they're designed to be able to keep your batteries in the best condition as possible for as long a period as possible. So that's going to be another video coming soon. We also have, for my crack yak, this little device which is made by RC Light Systems, the Wood family in the UK. Now, Simon Wood, who's the guy who designed it, and his two kids are the ones who actually produce and develop the unit. It's absolutely brilliant. It's a charging board, I know, but you don't need to do anything at all. Just plug in the balancer board of each one of your LiPos and you can charge up to 8 at once. How brilliant is that? Normally, with balancing boards, you have to connect both the balancer and the main jack as well. This one just keeps things even simpler, even easier. Just plug and charge. One connector per battery and you're charging 8 batteries at once. Now, when I fly my crack yak in the backyard, I can go through all of my batteries in no time at all. So this is a lifesaver. Just get it on once and you're charged in no time. Also, having spoken with these guys and how much I love this one, there's going to be some really good news for us all with some more products from them coming real soon. I can't quite say what it is yet, but stay tuned for more on that. I'll let you know soon. And as well, been sitting here in front of us all video from my good friends at G-Force Aircraft. I now have my pilot for my black and yellow laser, and just how brilliant does that look? I mean, this is a little bit of a special version that he did for me. It has the carbon helmet. Hopefully that can come out on video. But once he's sitting in that plane, it's just going to really finish that off. So can't wait again to get all the stuff in the laser and all the stuff in the edge, get some flying done. Anyway, that's enough of me rambling on. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of my new refurbished workshop. Again, sorry for not uploading in quite some time, but you can expect a load more videos coming real soon. Thanks for watching, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you all in the next one. I'm Martin Pickering, and I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Subscribing is free and just means that you'll get notified whenever I upload future videos. And with the number of events, adventures and ideas that are coming to the channel, you're not going to want to miss out. So hit that subscribe button, and again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.